Welcome to Speak English Now podcast with your host, Georgiana, the podcast that will help you to speak English fluently with no grammar and no textbooks.
Okay, let's move on to the next section. Here I'll use the question and answer technique. This is the perfect lesson for automatizing your spoken English. This is how it works. I'll give you some information, a phrase or two. I'll ask simple questions. After each question, there'll be some seconds of silence. It's your turn to answer the question. Just try to give an easy and short answer, not a complex one. After your answer, I'll give you a correct answer. This process will continue, and little by little, I'll be telling a story using questions and answers. Okay, let's get started. Alex wants to watch TV, so he turns it on. Does Alex want to watch TV? Yes, he wants to watch TV. Does Alex turn the radio on? No, Alex doesn't turn the radio on. He turns the TV on. Does Alex turn up the TV volume? No, he doesn't turn up the TV volume. He turns the TV on. Does Alex switch the TV on? Yes, he switches the TV on. He wants to watch TV. Why does Alex switch the TV on? What's the reason? Because he wants to watch TV. Alex turns the TV on because he wants to watch it. On the news, the presenter says IBM turned down an offer made by Microsoft. Does the presenter say IBM turned down an offer? Yes, he does. The presenter says IBM turned down an offer made by Microsoft. IBM turned down an offer made by Microsoft? Yes, IBM turned down an offer made by Microsoft. Did Microsoft turn down an offer made by IBM? No, Microsoft didn't turn down an offer made by IBM. It was IBM, not Microsoft. It turns out that the news is boring, so Alex goes to sleep. Does it turn out that the news is boring? Yes, it turns out that the news is boring. Does it turn out that the news is entertaining? No, it doesn't turn out that the news is entertaining. It turns out that the news is boring. What does it turn out? It turns out that the news is boring, so Alex goes to sleep. Where does Alex go? To sleep. Alex goes to sleep. Why does he go to sleep? Because the news is boring. It turns out that the news is boring, so he decides to go to sleep. As you can see, you're answering easy questions all the time. They are easy on purpose, and this technique helps you develop your speaking skills. It's like practicing with another person. This is one of the techniques that I use in my courses. I recommend you to take a look at courses.speakenglishpodcast.com. Okay, this is the end of this episode. Remember to listen to it several times. It will help with your English. Please remember that you can get the text of this episode at speakenglishpodcast.com. See you next week and have an awesome day. Goodbye!
Did you enjoy today's episode? Get the transcript now at speakenglishpodcast.com. speakenglishpodcast.com